You're here because you care about the future of your factory. But here's the thing. No one else is responsible for that future. Not vendors, not integrators, not software. Now there's a lot of great software, but when you buy solutions, your business depends on them. And whether you own them or not is where things start to break. When the people running the system don't own it or can't see it, accountability fades and improvement stalls. Because you can't improve what you can't see. And here's the solution. Treat your systems like products you own, with clear visibility and clear accountability. Because ProveIt isn't about the next tool. It's about proving what actually works. And what works is ownership.
And ownership starts with visibility. The more you see, the more you can improve. Welcome to Abelara's ProveIt session.